Bitcoin just did a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Bitcoin analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see, today on Bitcoin, we actually broke above two major resistance levels. We broke above the 19.5 and the $20,000 level, and now we are using it as support. So what exactly happened for Bitcoin today? Well, you can see we actually got a candle close above a major resistance level. Yesterday, we mentioned the fact that this may be a liquidity grab here at the 19.7 before we actually continue to push down, so there might be one more move up. The reason why I mentioned that is because we started to hover right here on these exponential moving averages as support at 19.3, and I actually ended up taking a long position right around the 19.4 level, but I ended up closing it right at this liquidity level, right? The reason why I did that was because I figured that once we started to see a small little rejection on the 4 hour, I was assuming the fact that Bitcoin might do a fake out and then continue pushing to the downside. Once we saw that candle close right at the 19.7, that indicated the fact that Bitcoin finally broke above this major resistance level and had a nice candle close to that level. Then we saw the next move and pretty much broke right up to the highs here, the 20.7 and or 20.4, sorry, and now we are consolidating using it as support. The next level of interest for me is going to be the 20.7 because of the fact that we are using this as support, but I will not be entering a position until we get that confirmation. The reason for that is I don't want to have a repeat situation of what we saw over here, where we pretty much did the same sort of move, broke above these resistance levels, saw multiple wicks, and then the consolidation right back into that support level, right? A lot of people got caught out on this trade. You can see this beautiful long squeeze right down here. So I want to be very, very careful before I enter that position. Obviously, today's move is a lot higher. We had a ton of more volume on this, so this does invalidate the previous move. But ideally right now, if we were to zoom out on the chart here, you can kind of see a much better understanding of what exactly is going on. Bitcoin is currently in a large consolidation stage, right? We've been pretty much consolidating at this level for a few months now, but something to note in mind is the fact that we broke this level here at 22,800 and had this huge move to the downside. Now, this can also be seen as an inverse BART formation, right? Where we actually break above to the level, hit that 22.8, and then come back down. That's definitely a possibility, so we can't leave that out of the picture, but if we break above this 20.7 level, this move will be validated, and we definitely will be hitting that overall level at 22.8. Now, of course, we may see a manipulation candle happen a few times, but that will be my overall area of interest if we can get above that 20.7 level. Now, on the lower time frames, I can go ahead and show you guys exactly what happened on Bitcoin and how this trade kind of played out. We can see that we were retesting this resistance level right here around the 19.3 mark. When I saw this trade, I said, okay, we're definitely holding that level above this 19.3, and we are using the exponential moving averages as support. You guys already know 9 out of 10 times that leads to a breakout formation, and that's exactly what happened on Bitcoin. We had a beautiful move above, you retested it as support and continued pushing higher. Now, of course, I didn't expect a large move like this to actually break above that 20.7, but the 20.4, but of course, obviously, because of the over leveraged shorts for a few weeks now, we had that beautiful move to the upside. Now, of course, right now we are seeing a small little pullback on Bitcoin, which is to be expected after a very large move. You can see we are pretty much overbought across all time frames, so I'm going to be waiting to see whether or not we can actually hold this $20,000 level, find that as consolidation, and then continue pushing higher. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.